School in Logan Heights is shining bright, celebrating math and reading scores that outperformed thousands of other schools in the state. ABC 10 News reporter Danny Miskell was there Friday as they got a special visit and some much-deserved recognition.
The students here at Burbank Elementary School have just made huge gains with their English reading and writing test scores. The school leaders tell us that they are especially proud because the majority of the students here speak Spanish as their first language.
Great things are happening in this district, and that's why we came here today to put a spotlight on that.
Burbank Elementary School and the San Diego Unified School District overall is showing standout growth. The students' performance are stronger. They're not just getting by.
The last 2 years, we've built a robust system of accountability that requires ongoing progress monitoring with actionable data.
San Diego Unified Superintendent Dr. Fabi Bagula says the school district's test scores for 3rd through 5th graders continue trending upwards with English and math. But she's especially proud of one group in particular.
At our Hispanic and Latino students, they are leading some of the most impressive gains district-wide.
State Superintendent Tony Thurmond's Move the Needle initiative has been pointing billions of dollars and strategies towards helping students at risk of falling behind. At Burbank Elementary, the school identified key barriers holding their students back.
What we were noticing is the connection to the literacy. Many of our math problems, our math work is related to reading problems.
Principal Francisco Solis says many of the students spoke English well, but had difficulty putting their ideas down on pen and paper.
We began to work around what it is that the students needed.
Thurmond says San Diego Unified, which represents one of the largest districts in the country, is now recognized as a leader in statewide test scores.
San Diego Unified School District is #1 in 4th grade and 8th grade literacy and math.
Danny Miskell, ABC.